You are hooked on to Direct Dil Se with Jimmy.
Well, exactly 10:27 and 18 seconds. And yes, tonight on Dil Se, 6 colleges, one after the other, talking about their festivals, talking about the closeness, talking about the work and the effort they've been putting in. And of course, also performing live with us right here in the studios. Right now, of course, I've got these 3 awesome guys from the Kalyani Government Engineering College. Looking a little tense, but I'd like to tell you guys, why don't you introduce yourselves?
Hello, I'm Tonmay. I'm from Kalyani Government Engineering College.
Hello, I'm Shomik from Kalyani Government Engineering College.
Hello, I'm Sumit from Kalyani Government Engineering College.
Okay, now, tell us a little bit about your fests. What exactly is happening? And how is it going to be going about? Onek kichu hocche festival hai. What exactly is happening?
Look, Spectra is our annual techno management and cultural fest. It will be going on for 3 days, for the 3rd, 4th and 5th of March. On the mornings we'll have a technical fest, which is the Tech Techs, and the evenings we'll have a cultural fest called the Exotica. The mornings will have the technical events like robotics, gaming and coding and all. And Exotica will have all those events like ramp walk, which is called La Moda, band performances and all.
And of course, we have a special attraction on 5th of March, and that is Arman Malik.
Arman Malik.
Yeah, I saved the best for the last.
That's amazing. And you have Arman Malik and Spunk rocking the stage on the 5th of March, right?
Yeah.
Amazing. So there's going to be dance, dramatics, music, and loads of fun.
Everything.
Okay, great. Now tell me, out of all these events, what's your favorite?
My favorite is, of course, the Band Slam event. The Band Slam event is my favorite.
Okay.
Bands from different colleges come to perform in our college.
What's your favorite?
I'm looking forward to the fashion show.
And what's the guitar man's favorite?
Director's Cut.
Okay, amazing. And tell me, approximately how many colleges are going to be participating?
More than 15 colleges. But we expect more colleges to come.
Okay, amazing. Now tell me, I think you guys are ready to sing. You guys are ready to take off. So what are we going to be hearing from you guys today?
Well, we're going to sing a song sung by Arman Malik himself. It's Main Rahu Ya Na Rahu.
Oh, that's nice. So let's take off, guys, right here.
Sure.
Right now, live.
बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना। किसी रोज बारिश जो आए, समझ लेना बूंदों में मैं हूँ। सुबह धूप तुमको सताए, समझ लेना किरणों में मैं हूँ। किसी रोज बारिश जो आए, समझ लेना बूंदों में मैं हूँ। सुबह धूप तुमको सताए, समझ लेना किरणों में मैं हूँ। कुछ कहूँ या ना कहूँ, तुम मुझको सदा सुनते रहना। बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे से कहना बस इतना है तुमसे कहना.
Well, this is truly, truly, truly amazing. You know, I mean, I really felt Arman Malik was here.
No, that was,
No, really, seriously nice. And tell me one thing is, you must be having various committees, you must be having students. How many students are actually working for the festival in terms of day and night?
look, it's not a thing that we'll be able to count on our fingers. Actually, people are on one side we have people who are painting on the walls. On the
Okay.
other side we are calling up alumni, our pass outs, and on one side we are here practicing for what we'll be doing, what we'll be performing, and all. So it's actually a collective effort.
Amazing.
All around.
Amazing, amazing. You know, and we have about 37 lakh listeners tuned in.
Yeah, that's great.
So
That's
if
great.
each one of you, I want each one of you to give a message to the city of Kolkata, or whoever you want to give a message to, and whatever you want to express, direct dil se.
Okay.
Be there to witness one of the greatest cultural fest in West Bengal. And Arman Malik Live is already there on 5th of March and Spunk. So be there, witness it and feel it.
Absolutely.
Well, Kalyani is not too far from Kolkata, and I know a lot of you haven't been. Lot of you people haven't been there already. So come to Kalyani, witness the magic of Kalyani, and remember one thing: Spectro will rock. Machana hai. Spectro mein machana hai.
Amazing, you know, and just curious, was it the first time you'll have come right here at 10:30 in the night on a radio studio talking to lakhs of people in the city?
It's like a dream come true. We were sitting outside there, waiting in the lobby out there, and people were texting us as to when we'll be coming online. Bhai ek to dada, bhai ek to
Now
dada.
tell me one thing, have they texted you? I শুনতে পাচ্ছি খুব ভালো হচ্ছে কিছু টেক্সট হয়েছে এখন?
Well, we have to check our phones for that.
No,
Yeah,
but
check our phones.
seriously, it was really so wonderful having you guys in the studio.
Thank you, sir.
And any last couple of lines you want to sing before going?
মানে আমাকে অনেকজন বলেছিল যে লাইভ এসেছি আজকে ফার্স্ট টাইম, তো একটা ওসি মানে আমার ওন ক্রিয়েশন তো.
Definitely, go ahead, your own creation right here on 91.9 Friends FM.
কুয়াশা পেরিয়ে আজ এসেছি আমি তোমারই কাছে, হাজার বছরে ব্যর্থতার পরে 7 জনমের কথা দেব ভেবে রেখেছি তোমায়, আবার নতুন করে আমি বাঁচতে চাই সময়। হারিয়ে গেছি আমি, হারিয়ে যাচ্ছি আমি, হারিয়ে যেতে দাও আমাকে, আটকে আজ কে উড়ে গোলা গো, আমাকে উড়িয়ে দাও আকাশ পানে থেকে তারার মাঝে দেখেছি আমি তোমার ছবি তারাগুলোকে জুড়ে, হারিয়ে গেছি আমি, হারিয়ে যাচ্ছি আমি, হারিয়ে যেতে দাও।
Well, that was truly amazing, guys, you know.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you,
us
sir. Thank you.
live in the studios. Yes, and before you all go, anybody who wants to say the last words?
Okay, to all the radio listeners who are listening to us right now, I just want to say that there is an official website of Spectro, and that is spectro.in. It's ESPEKTRO.in. Visit the page and for all the details that you want.
Well, been really amazing tonight, and wish you all the best. You guys
thank you, sir.
truly
Thank you,
rocked,
sir.
and thank you
sir.
so much.
It's a dream come true, sir.